Hi everyone, this is Amai. Welcome back to my channel. That's my life. Thanksgiving is almost here. As I was talking to my daughter, she told me that she missed the smell of my roast turkey, and it was very delicious and moist. So this year, she actually special requests me to make the same turkey as they were young. Now that we are getting older, it is hard to gather everybody together. So this year, we would do our Thanksgiving early because everyone is here. I incorporate the American and Asian style in my recipe as well. So today I will show and share with you how I make my turkey and Asian stuffing. I hope you enjoy my very own special recipe. Don't forget the description is below. សួស្តីមិត្តទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ Channel របស់នាងខ្ញុំ That's my life កូនរបស់នាងខ្ញុំបានសំណូមពរឲ្យនាងខ្ញុំដុត turkey ឆ្នាំនេះគាត់បាននិយាយប្រាប់ខ្ញុំថា turkey របស់ម៉ាក់មានក្លិនឈ្ងុយសាច់មានសំណើមហើយក៏មានរសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់ណាស់ដែរថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញមិត្តទាំងអស់គ្នារបៀបខ្ញុំដុត turkey ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាមិត្តទាំងអស់គ្នានឹងប្រើរូបមន្តនេះនេះគេហៅ shallot ខ្ទឹមក្រហម garlic ខ្ទឹមស 5 spice half teaspoon soy sauce ទឹកស៊ីអ៊ីវ 1 tablespoon oyster sauce 2 tablespoon ប្រេងខ្យងអានេះ cranberry raisin ក្របឈូក lotus seed chestnut is already cooked it cooked like that already and then this is bean curd ពូស្ដាយ and then shiitake mushroom carrot, onion, ខ្ទឹមបារាំង wooded ear, ត្រចៀកក្តៅ ផ្សិតត្រចៀកក្តៅ ហើយនិង celery separate the stuffing from the broth. I keep the broth for my vegetable blanching. It does give a really good flavor to the vegetable. It will taste good.អរគុណមិត្តទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានតាមដានវីដេអូនាងខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាមិត្តទាំងអស់គ្នានឹងប្រើរូបមន្តនេះដើម្បីលើកទឹកចិត្តសូមជួយចុច like share ហើយនិង subscribe ដើម្បីបានទទួលវីដេអូថ្មីៗ Happy Thanksgiving from our family to yours Thank you everyone for watching I hope you enjoyed this video If you have any question please comment below I hope you give this recipe a try. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching again. Happy Thanksgiving from our family to yours. See you in the next video.